Close your eyes to get away. Just make my mind and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah.
Good morning, y'all. Well, it's not morning, but it's like, hold on. Look, where you at? Oh, my little baby. My little baby. It is 11:43. Imagine y'all can see by the title. I didn't do no intro. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tiana Marie, and I'm back with another video. Tell them I'm back with another video, Blue. Say we back with another video. Okay, y'all. So as y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be upgrading my car. I've only had it for about like 2 months, but I knew that's not what I wanted. It was something I had to settle for. So now that I have the, you know, to upgrade, the opportunity to upgrade, that's what I'm gonna go do. So I just got out the shower. I'm about to get dressed, wash my face, brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna head to my mom's house to pick her up, and then we're gonna go to CarMax. Oh, you know what? It's not even recording on the video thing, but whatever. Hopefully it's still good. But yeah, we're gonna go to CarMax, and I'm gonna switch my car out. Let's hope and pray that everything goes well, because you know I don't have no credit, and I know they're gonna be like, we want 6,000 down. Hopefully not, but fingers crossed. But I'm about to wash my face and get ready, and then show y'all guys my outfit, and then head out. Bye, Blue. He's such a little baby. He wants to be with me everywhere.
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved.
She keep that pump. That natural beauty. Yeah.
Like cussing, dead niggas got me choking, fucking loco. I'm on my phone and thing, bitch on flow. I'm in your bitch from the back, she saying her. Take keep, fuck these niggas up.
Alright, boy.
If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back. Back till you see it from the back. Back till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Bring that ass over, doja, bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese. I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood. I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack.
Hey you guys, so we made it to CarMax. I'm finna see if I can switch my car out. Y'all, it's been a minute. They probably gonna look at me like, why is she recording? They could be like, sorry ma'am, you can't record. I'm gonna be so mad. Why can't you? I don't know. Let's see what they see. I ain't hiding it, I'm a vlogger, y'all. Dorothy, you're supposed to be getting the door.
Alright, I was just gonna say.
Oh, it stinks in here. I should have caught that girl. Hello. Oh, she's from last time. I'm looking to switch my car out. Trade it in.
Okay. You need? Oh, you the one that helped us the last time. Oh, did you? Yeah.
Remember when I couldn't get a car?
Yeah, with her and my sign. Oh, yeah. So, did you have an appointment today?
No.
So we'll go ahead and get a price first, and then we'll get that going.
Okay.
When did you purchase the car?
Like 2 months ago.
Okay. Let's get a price first. Let's put a code on there. Oh, right here.
Well, hold on. I know.
What is it?
This Toyota Corolla?
Oh, Corona?
Yes.
Where'd you get it?
Buy riders. Just a key?
Yeah. You want to take out your driver's license so I can get your information?
Okay. Yo, I'm so excited I finally got my driver's license because last time I came, I didn't have it, so I couldn't get a car. I had to go somewhere else to get it, and I had to settle for something I didn't want. So those of y'all that are looking to get in the car, make sure y'all have y'all driver's license and good credit started, because that's what they're gonna look for. I know y'all did not get a whole bunch of snacks without me.
Sorry. I didn't know what you would have wanted. Alright. What year is the vehicle again?
2011.
Is the title in your name?
Yes.
Yeah, because it's under her name.
Oh, okay, I'm like, I don't know.
Completely under your name, 1 or 2 keys?
Oh, 1 key.
Alright, takes about 40 minutes. You can go ahead and browse around. So you want to go look around. And whenever you're done browsing, go ahead and take a seat in the waiting area. As soon as I get some numbers, I'll call you all back.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
It's so nice. Oh, I see a car like. Nah. Dang, I wonder what I could get. Wait, Look, y'all.
You keep jogging Camaro?
That's not bad. It is.
That's 2017. I got a 1348.
Y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear or not. It's really windy out here. Ooh. But I get to look at the cars, y'all. Hold on, let me flip it. Ew, no. Oh, this is not. Y'all. Oh, it's so cold out here. How much it is? Oh, that's too much. I don't got money like that. Huh?
You got my good friend back.
I need to go find that the whatchamacallit. Oh, I need to see if they have Malibus.
Right there.
No way.
How did I even see it before? That's crazy.
Oh, it's for 2020 though.
What?
That's the 2020. Man, if I were to get a Malibu, boy, I would not know how to act.
That shit gonna cost you too.
It don't even have no price on here.
I know, it won't tell you.
Let me get some, D. Bro, let me get some. Thank you.
She only serving you because you pregnant.
Mom, be quiet. My vlog don't know yet. Cut it out. Cut it out.
Not the GoPro.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, the fucking charger.
Where? Girl, don't tell me that.
On DZ.
Wait, what's?
You better not pull up with no fucking.
Girl, yeah, I am.
Oh.
Oh, they're not for
Hey,
sale.
these go hard though.
I don't see the what's
Look in the system. Okay. Do you have it? Like,
yeah, it's here. I know it's here. It's the one like your car. Oh, let's go look at these Hondas. Oh, y'all, it is so cold. It's so cold. Mom, don't say that. What is this? Wait. No, I don't like this.
Would you let me get a car like this?
Cause I want a screen. I want a big screen so bad. No, like, oh. And it's a sports car.
no.
Why? The mouth. Wait, what are these?
That's a camera.
Toyota.
No, look at this blue Malibu. Y'all, I want a Malibu so bad, but look at this price. Wow. Man, I want a Malibu so bad.
That's a 2019.
So bad. Hold on, let me see these. This one ain't Mom, I want to see this one. Cause look, Mom, I want this car. I want this car so bad.
Not bad.
If they let me get it, I'm getting this one. Like, for real. I want a Malibu so bad. It don't. The other one that I have to settle for don't got one either. I think this is it.
Settling though? Yeah, it is.
Because I didn't see no other cars that I had like. Is this the one? No, because look how little that screen is.
What's closed? It's somewhere right here.
It's right here. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, you got the tank shot. What? What? You want to switch? What? I'll trade you cars. I'll trade you. Yeah, this might be the car I get. Either it's out of this one or the Malibu. Oh, it's open. I didn't even know they were. Y'all.
It started too. Yeah, it's just like my car.
Just without the
The sunroof.
and the push to start. But y'all can see me riding in this. Hold up. Vlogs in the.
Then you have to go get it tinted.
Oh,
I have to get my shit
like
tinted.
today, like today.
Yeah, you can take mine too.
No. Oh yeah, I can take yours. Well, we gotta go together then.
It'd be like $100 a piece.
So yeah, either this one.
Oh, look, it belongs to a female.
How you know?
Look at the knobs.
Okay, yeah. So it's either out of this car or the Malibu.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck is that? The keys are in there. They have the black one. Oh, yeah, it is a black one.
But
Oh,
it's
this is
way
a
more.
newer-
Yeah, way more. I don't got money like that.
It's only 50,000.
What? I mean, if I could get it, I'll get it. Cause look, it's I know it's push to start and everything.
Yeah, there's a push to start.
So it's out of
It has
these.
a little.
Yeah,
That's not bad.
25,000. But won't the price go up because it's finance?
Yeah, fuck yeah. But you'll make your payments.
It's out of these. Out of these three in the Malibu.
I like the way my car is set up because it got like the bug mats and they wash your car.
What is this? A Lincoln? No,
don't do that.
no Lincoln.
Or no.
What about a Camry? 22.
Dang, this go hard.
Oh, this is. How many miles? 52. Yo, man, look at this car. Yeah, I don't know how to add.
Fuck, it's cold.
Oh, look at.
Is it push start or no?
No.
It belongs to a female.
How you know? The chongos. That's so funny. Man, y'all, these cars. Wait, hold on, wait. 2018.
Fuck no. You see how much these?
Wait, you think I should get that gray one then if I could get it?
Which one?
The Ford, the gray one. You can push and start with the knob.
Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna try. Either.
It doesn't even matter about. You just gotta see how much they gonna value your car for, and then how much you have to put if you have to put it down.
And then I can get whatever car I want,
See
basically.
what they take. Put your car. I mean, get this
Top window right here.
Or just see how much they gonna give you for your car, or if they even take it. And then, I mean,
Why wouldn't they take it? I'm gonna cry.
Either way it goes, because how much do you owe on there?
A lot. Wait, what are the machines? But I need a. Follow me to the vending machine. Vending machine. Yeah, this is so exciting. I wanna. You got crumbs on your lips. I've been waiting to get a new car for so long, and I had to settle for one. And if I get a new one today, I'm gonna be so happy. Let's see what I have.
Are you trying to give me some more
Oh,
Cheez-Its?
hold this.
Trying to give me some more Cheez-Its or what? Are you recording?
Yeah.
How do I see myself?
Let's see.
It broke off.
I know it's been like that. Hold on. I don't know what I want. What is that? Pringles? Doritos?
Can I be your cameraman?
Hold on. I wish I could just.
It's not gonna give you your change back.
What do you mean it's not gonna give my check? I don't have any.
Give me some Cheez-Its. 144.
Yeah, they called my name. So now I'm about to see what they say about my car. I'm talking to my camera.
Wait, what are you doing? How much you on this vehicle?
Honestly, I don't know.
How much did you pay for it?
It was 14. Was it 14? Let me see the paper, the rest.
Okay.
Cause it just say how much it was.
Just a check. Just wondering. That's without the finance. So we're looking at 2011 Toyota Corolla. Trim is LE. The color is white. It's got 137,466 miles. These are all the features attached to your VIN.
Okay.
The interior, the front seats have some burn marks. The dash needs repair, and the radio is aftermarket, and the windshield is replacing. Other than that, everything else checks out is okay. Okay, be my hands, everything great, everything good. On the exterior, the driver fender has some patchy prior paintwork. The hood has some scratches and chips. The past fender and the past front door and the past rear door need repair. We have dings on the rear gate or the trunk, driver rear door, and the driver's quarter. Needs paintwork is the front bumper, or no, needs paintwork, yeah. Front bumper, rear bumper needs repair, and the tail lights need to be replaced. Other than that, everything else checks out is okay on the exterior. Mechanical and structural, the most important, CarMax. Engine runs improperly, and the dash warning light is on. Other than that, everything checks out is okay.
Okay.
We do not own vehicle in the street, person will not have purchase from you. One accident recorded as of today. We had 4 owners, one being yourself, and it was used as a lease hire. CarMax is ready to give you $2,300 for your vehicle.
Dang.
The potential tax savings $144.
You don't want that car. You might as well just go with it. You don't want it.
I'm so dead.
You already knew.
Nah, man, cause that's crazy.
So, how much of a down payment is this for?
1,000.
So you're upside down about. I don't know. Depends. You have to check. So that means that whatever vehicle you pick out there, all of that would go into the next one. So they're going to ask you for a large down payment.
The large isn't as how much?
Probably the negative equity.
Well, damn, I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. And but that's if she did the trade-in.
Yes.
So what? If I let the car go, then what?
It'll just be a repossession, but you're building your credit with another car.
I'm sorry. So your possession stays on your credit for 7 years.
As long as you're making
Payments on the other one?
yeah.
How much
But
do you pay on it?
Like $500 a month, which is a lot for that car.
Yeah, because she bought that car, a piece of shit car.
Cause I had to settle. They were the only place to let me get a car without my driver's license at the time. So now that I have my driver's license, so what? I should try this.
You just see what you would have to put down.
For like another car? Okay.
Is there something particular you're looking for?
The Ford Fusion. I'm probably gonna go with the white one. The other one gonna be. Is it a Fusion?
Yeah, because it's just like mine.
They told me bad news about this car. Yes, and it's
No, it's a car.
Yeah, sedan.
Is it?
Sedan.
Oh yeah,
I'll be
yeah,
getting
yeah, yeah,
confused
yeah,
'cause
yeah.
SUVs,
Yeah.
SUVs
I was like,
like
wait,
that.
wait, what? Oh, there goes right there.
the
13.
2013 Ford Fusion SE.
Mm-hmm. With the tan interior.
Bring my car to the back because I think one of my sensors is going on for my car.
What did you buy?
Me? I bought
Did I sell you a car?
No, we came here the last time, which she tried to get a car without her
but you
driver.
never
Yeah. No, I had got my car with her. The little one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she's so cool.
She's funny.
Yeah, she's so sweet.
Candy.
Yeah. I think we came when you had your, what kind of candy was it? And we got samples of it. Oh, you had candy that you gave us.
Oh, the Kit Kats. Was it Kit Kat?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still have some on.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Do you have your driver's license?
Yes.
The only thing is, it still didn't say I have no credit history. Dang, that's crazy. That car. Oh my god. No, I don't want it.
But how was it that last time you had, and it was only asking for $5,000?
What?
When you were getting a car, they were asking for a big down payment.
Yeah, because I didn't have my driver's license and I didn't have my no credit history. So it might be a little better because I have a driver's license.
You've been paying on your car. We'll see. Because that's what I did with my Ford. And what's crazy, when they picked up my car, I have till March to pay the $1,700, and then it clears off it looks as a paid off.
Why?
Because they let you pay out.
Wait, can I do that?
Yes.
So
I could.
No accidents reported as of today on that vehicle. It had 3 owners. and it was just your personal use.
Okay.
I'm going over the history.
So that car,
It has one unrepaired recall.
Is it the
summary.
transmission? Yeah, that's what I have to go get mine too.
Okay. As long as you're aware, okay?
Okay.
oh, so that car's not gonna be on your credit, the one that you got rid of?
If I pay the 17, because they give you 90-day payout.
Only 1,700?
Yes.
So if I were to give them
You call them and say, I don't want this car anymore, it's giving me too much problems. They'll go pick voluntary, I forgot what it's called, but it's voluntary pickup, pretty much. Voluntary repo. And what ends up happening is they pick it up, they appraise it just like anybody else would, and then they tell you the value of the car and what you can go on the car. But I left it like that, and then they called me and they were like, if you pay the 1,700 within March, the 90 days, it clears off your credit. Yeah.
I wonder if I could do that. Y'all, this is how much my car is worth here. That's so crazy.
Are you employed?
Yes.
Where do you work? Go ahead and type that in. And then if you can get the number for her, phone number. How much of a down payment do you want to do?
You can start off with the lowest and see what they work with.
Okay, let's say 1,500.
And do it 1,000.
I said the lowest, yeah.
Usually the 500 doesn't like,
Oh, count.
unless it. So for every 1,000 we finance is $20. So.
Oh,
might
so
as well go
then,
1,000.
yeah.
Like not
Okay.
1,500, 2,000. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's-
Yeah, we
I'm
can.
just trying to. By clicking the following box, you're signing this document and acknowledging that you review, understand, and agree to these credit application terms and conditions and states and signals and disclosures. Into your social machine together. And then the date of birth, and that's you signing the application. So young.
Right. And I know my social by heart. That's good.
Yeah.
That's how you know I'm getting older.
I know.
That's how you know I'm getting older.
Keep telling them you're going to use your social for a lot of things once you get older.
Yeah.
Schools ask for it. Like literally every applicant you do is going to ask for it.
I'm gonna let this car go. Hey, Dory, you wanna take over him?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. No, I'm
Let's
tired
go.
of paying my money to them people. They do. Matter of fact, I'm calling them today because they never see me.
Oh, for your refund?
Yeah. They never see
They
my money
shouldn't have
back.
had, but they shouldn't have had did auto pay if they don't have permission to. You literally can call your bank and be like, why are they taking it out? They don't have permission to.
So the vehicle has 62,000 miles on it. We do have an extended service plan called CarMax, like I explained to you all last time.
Yeah.
We can cover 250,000 miles of electrical systems on the car.
Oh, it does cover electro. Okay. I need to bring my car up here then.
Now, anytime you come to CarMax or any car process certified shop, we knock off $50 from that deductible. This will be at $250, this will be at $150, this will be at $50, this will be at $0. Okay? So the higher the deductible, the lower that we attach to it, right? So usually it's the $250 that people choose. It just depends how much you feel comfortable with. Like if anything ever happens to it, whether it be 1, 2, or 10 things that's wrong with it at that one appointment, we're going to go and take it.
So how's it going? It's not even open.
So Westlake's Financials, the people that approved you, they want $6,899 down with 8 cents. They need proof of income, proof of residence, proof of insurance, which is you have to add it to your coverage, and 3 personal references, and your original social security card, and your cell phone bill saying that that's your number. Yeah. 72-month term at $429, 66-month term at $445.94, and a 60-month term at
That's way cheaper than what you're paying now.
with $6,000.
Right.
With almost $7,000.
But that's still.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me calculate.
This girl.
Is that kind of down payment that you can work with?
Well, I'm just.
She has it, but she's trying to see how money was.
Cause I don't want to be like that's gonna be.
Well, you ain't gonna. Well, I mean, unless you're gonna keep the car that you got now.
No. That's gonna be.
That's the only offer that she has right now.
That's why I was hoping there was something else. What did she finance it with?
I don't even know. She don't have no.
Oh, should I put 6,000 down? I mean, I think I should be fine if I do.
Yes, you will be fine.
But I don't want to.
Your payments? Did you not see your payments? A month?
$429. I mean, that's still a lot, but let me see. That's like divided by.
That's a car that you don't even want.
Yeah, that's true. And is it weekly or every month?
It's monthly.
Hey, that kind of car is always ridiculous.
I don't even know where it would tell me for this.
I'm just wondering because it's not really.
I mean, I don't have nothing else I gotta get, right? Not necessarily. I mean, y'all be alright.
You can stack your money back up.
No, this is a big decision to make.
This girl. Unless you try to go for it. Well,
I'm trying to see what else is around that price.
I mean, let's do it.
Do you have email me your most recent check stub?
So basically the one you just saw, right?
Yeah, the one that's the most recent within the 15 days, right?
yeah, because we just got paid.
Okay. And
Friday,
then,
Do you have an email?
Proof of residence? Yes, it's right here.
Oh, there's her.
Proof of residence, so I need a bill or your bank account.
Statement?
Bank statement.
Okay.
Your most recent bank statement with the address that you just gave me.
Okay.
If you can do that too. And then proof of insurance, you'll have to add full coverage insurance to the vehicle before you leave today. Any references, your original social security card.
Yeah, social
And the bill for your phone.
Okay. Y'all have to put 6,000 down. That's a lot.
You already knew that was coming.
I know, but I did, but I didn't. Well, at least I'm still gonna walk out with a new car.
Yeah.
Who's gonna drive the other one? Oh, you. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna get this paperwork started for this car. Oh, look, let me show it. This is the car, y'all. So update, I am
Hook me up.
getting. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Oh my god, my battery's gonna die. So this is how much I'm getting, y'all. I'm so sad because my battery's gonna die and I need to do the recording, but that's how much I have to put down, and that's the total amount of my car, I guess. I don't know, but
Okay.
I'm going to finish all of this and then I'm gonna finish it up later because my camera's about to die.
You didn't charge it?
I did. It died too fast. I need to get more batteries. I know D got some.
No, he buys them a lot.
Oh, well, I gotta get some more batteries, y'all, because I'm gonna go get the
Is
car.
that a chargeable battery?
It is, but I didn't bring it. I should have.
If you do it, I'm gonna do it.
But yeah, because I'm gonna go get everything for my car, y'all, and I'm gonna have to show y'all. All right, y'all, bye.
I got out of it and you put me back
No,
in
because
it.
they're not gonna see me sign it.
How are you doing? I'm good, thank you. All right, last signature needed from you today. One signature right there for a new title. Thank you. All right, this is going to be the temporary registration for you. That you just want to keep in the glove box until we can get your permanent plate. It's taking about 8 to 10 weeks right now, so those are good for 8 weeks.
Okay.
If by chance that those expire, give us a call and we can give you a status update for your plates. And if anything happens and you get an extension, you do want to go to a local Bear County tax office.
Y'all, I just got done signing everything. I'm recording on my phone because my camera is about to die. But they finna bring my car. I'm finna get my keys. And it's officially my car. No co-signing. Right, Mom? No. Yeah.
I have your registration sticker at the office whenever you're ready to come pick that up, sir.
Wow, this is cool. Cool, I get to say that I don't have a co-signer. So this will build my credit?
Mm-hmm. As long as you keep making your payments on time.
Your earliest convenience. Pick up that whatever.
Yeah, I'm tired though. I'm ready to go home. Look at my hair though.
Yes, sir. If you didn't pay cash for the vehicle, then the title will come directly to you. But if you did finance the vehicle, then the holder first, and then once you get the vehicle. Oh, okay. You just pay cash for it? Sure, yeah. It'll come to you in about a month or so, sir. Yes. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but everything's here.
Oh, she's putting on your paperwork and everything.
Get back. Alright, y'all, I'm going outside because my car is ready. My car is ready. My car is ready.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You got your phone so we can take a picture of you?
Yes. Y'all, I get to get my car. Alright, I gotta take a picture real quick, so I'm gonna end it real quick. Dang.
We just finished that.
Yay, guys. I officially got my new car. Yeah, my camera's still about to die, so this is all I get to show y'all. No, let me. Oh, is it recording? Yes. Okay. Shh. What do I say? You wanted to do it. Okay, guys. So we are at the window tint place, getting tint on the window. Mama's getting hers first, and she's almost done. We got KK in the building, acting like
In the building or the car?
the building. And then TT over here with Blue. Okay. So yeah. She doing too much talking. Anywho. So yeah, we've been waiting for like an hour. They're taking a little long.
You're lying. We left
No.
here at 2:07. It's 2:44.
The same thing. Anywho, is he done? No, he's doing the back window. How do I stop it?
Give me.
Okay. Bye, guys. She says she's so tired.
Shut up. What's up, y'all? It is day
That's
2. Well, it's the next day for me. Look at my hair, bro. It's the next day for me getting my car, and I had to look at my mom in the back. I had to
Y'all, she better insert my clip of me talking because what? I literally started the vlog off and she want us to act like
I had to come get my window tinted because I could not be riding in a fishbowl, you know.
she doesn't have a fishbowl.
I know you ain't talking.
Stop.
Yeah. But yeah, I just came out here to say that I'm about to get my tint.
Hello?
We came to the place so I can get tint on my windows because
Alright, he's gonna pee on you.
I need tint. And then, why did you just throw him on?
I didn't. I saw him back.
That's so stupid. You tossed him.
Well, Blue is chilling right
He went
now.
flying. He landed on my stomach. He landed on my stomach and my stomach hurts.
Whatever. Finish your vlog. Finish your vlog. Not put my clip in.
They don't know.